Fields of gold harvesting the tobacco leaf. The journey of tobacco from seed to harvest is a fascinating and intricate process that has been perfected over centuries. Tobacco farming is a labor-intensive process. It requires dedication, patience, and a deep understanding of the plant's needs. From the moment the seeds are planted, farmers must be vigilant and attentive. It starts with planting tiny seeds. These seeds are incredibly small, almost like grains of sand, and they need to be handled with care. The soil must be prepared meticulously to ensure the seeds have the best chance to germinate and grow. Farmers nurture the plants for weeks. This involves regular watering, ensuring the plants receive enough sunlight and protecting them from pests and diseases. Each stage of growth is monitored closely to ensure the plants develop strong and healthy. The plants grow tall and broad leaves. As they mature, the leaves become thick and robust, ready to be harvested. The sight of a fully grown tobacco field is truly a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Harvest time depends on the tobacco type. Different varieties of tobacco have different growing cycles and require different harvesting techniques. Some types of tobacco are ready to be harvested in a few months, while others may take longer. Some are harvested at once, with the entire plant being cut down and collected. This method is often used for certain types of tobacco that mature uniformly, while others are picked in stages as leaves mature. This selective harvesting ensures that each leaf is picked at its peak maturity, providing the best quality for processing. The process of harvesting tobacco is both an art and a science, requiring skill and experience to do it right. From plant to pile, selecting and sorting the finest leaves. The journey of tobacco leaves from the field to the final product is a meticulous process that requires keen attention to detail and a deep understanding of the plant. After harvest, workers grade tobacco leaves. This grading process is crucial as it determines the quality of the final product. Each leaf is carefully examined to ensure it meets the high standards required for premium tobacco. They look for size, color, and quality. Damaged leaves are discarded. Workers meticulously inspect each leaf, looking for any signs of imperfections. Leaves that do not meet the criteria are removed to ensure only the best leaves make it to the next stage. The best leaves are bundled together. These bundles are then prepared for the curing process, where the leaves will develop their unique flavors and aromas. The bundling process is done with care to maintain the integrity of the leaves. Leaves from different parts of the plant are often separated. This separation is important because leaves from different parts of the plant have distinct characteristics. By sorting them, workers can ensure a more consistent product. This ensures consistent flavor and burning characteristics in the final product. The attention to detail in the sorting and bundling process is what sets premium tobacco apart. Each step is designed to preserve the quality and enhance the smoking experience. The workers' expertise and experience play a vital role in this process. Their knowledge of the plant and its characteristics allows them to make precise decisions that impact the final product's quality. Once sorted and bundled, the leaves are transported to curing barns. Here, they will undergo a transformation, developing the flavors and aromas that are essential to high-quality tobacco. The curing process is carefully monitored to ensure optimal conditions. Temperature and humidity are controlled to bring out the best in each leaf. This stage is critical in defining the final product's taste and aroma. After curing, the leaves are inspected once more. This final inspection ensures that only the finest leaves are selected for the next stage of production. The rich brown color of the cured leaves is a testament to the care and precision involved in the process. Finally, the leaves are packaged and prepared for shipment. The journey from plant to pile is complete, and the finest leaves are ready to be transformed into premium tobacco products. Each step of the process reflects the dedication and expertise of the workers involved. Curing time. The transformation in the barns. The barns, often rustic and weathered, stand as silent sentinels of a time-honored tradition. These structures, with their wooden frames and slatted walls, are more than just buildings. They are the heart of the curing process. Curing is crucial for flavor development. The process begins as soon as the tobacco leaves are harvested. They are carefully transported to the barns, where the magic of transformation begins. The leaves, green and full of moisture, are hung to dry. Leaves are hung in barns for weeks. During this time, the leaves undergo a remarkable change. The environment inside the barn is meticulously controlled to ensure the perfect conditions for curing. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are all carefully monitored. Air drying is traditional, but some use heat to speed up the process. Curing transforms the leaves. Air drying, also known as natural curing, relies on the ambient conditions to slowly remove moisture from the leaves. This method can take several weeks, but it allows the leaves to develop a rich, complex flavor. They change color and develop their characteristic aroma. As the leaves dry, they change from green to yellow and finally to a deep, rich brown. This color change is accompanied by the development of the leaves' characteristic aroma, a scent that is both earthy and sweet. The duration and method vary depending on the desired cigarette type. Some producers opt for heat curing, which uses controlled heat to speed up the drying process. This method can produce a different flavor profile, often preferred for certain types of cigarettes. Regardless of the method, the goal is the same: to transform the raw tobacco leaves into a product that is ready for the next stage of production. Factory-bound. Tobacco's journey from farm to facility. Cured leaves are packed and transported to factories. Large trucks carry them from farms to processing plants. Factories are large and complex. They house specialized machinery for each stage of cigarette production. Shredding and blending, crafting the perfect cigarette mix. At the factory, leaves are shredded. Machines cut them into thin strands. These strands are blended. Different tobacco types create unique flavor profiles. Recipes are closely guarded secrets. They determine the taste and aroma of each cigarette brand. The assembly line machines take charge. Modern cigarette making is highly automated. Machines do most of the work. They ensure consistency and speed. This allows for mass production. Millions of cigarettes are made daily. A symphony of speed, the making of a cigarette. A continuous paper is fed into a machine. It forms a long tube. Shredded tobacco is injected into the tube. The paper is then wrapped and sealed. A rotating blade cuts the tube into individual cigarettes. Quality control. Ensuring a consistent smoke. Throughout the process, quality checks are performed. Samples are tested for various factors. These include weight, length, and moisture content. This ensures consistency and compliance with regulations. Filters and packaging. The final touches. Cigarettes are fitted with filters. This helps to trap some harmful substances. Machines then package the cigarettes. They are placed in packs of 20. Packs are wrapped and labeled for distribution. A global industry. Cigarettes around the world. Cigarette production is a global industry. Factories exist in many countries. They supply cigarettes to local and international markets. Demand varies widely. Smoking rates are influenced by culture, price, and health concerns. Conclusion. Reflecting on the process and its impact. The journey from leaf to pack is complex. It involves many steps and technologies. While the process is fascinating, it's crucial to remember the health risks associated with smoking. Understanding this complex